Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this awesome 2016 Toyota Tundra Platinum Edition Crew Cab pickup. On the exterior of this Tundra, we have power and heated door mirrors, rear parking sensors, and a rear backup camera system. On the inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, a power sunroof, and automatic temperature control. The 7-inch LCD display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This one-owner 2016 Toyota Tundra has less than 125,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.